Hi, this video is to help you understand what you need to do to complete your work and submit it when you have one of these blended learning math lessons. So I'm going to be switching back and forth between showing you the screen that you'll be doing and solving the problems for you on the board. So the first thing let's do is let's look at how you get to your work. To get to your work, when you are on your Google homepage and you are logged in, it should show here in this circle that you are logged in. You'll click on the waffle and then open Google Classroom. Once you're in Google Classroom, you're going to select the class in question. For this demonstration, we're going to be talking about math. So this is first block math. If you're in second block math, then obviously you're going to choose second block math, wherever your math class is. To find today's assignment, you can scroll down here on the feed and find today's assignment, along with the link to the video, which you do need to watch before you complete the lesson. I'm going to assume that you've already watched the lesson. Here's the video for today's lesson. There are other things, my morning message. So this is a good place to start. All right, then you can click here for your classwork. All right, and under classwork, we see today's lesson and the due date. So we're going to go ahead and click on today's lesson and click on the form to open it up. All right, so here we see our first problem is 273 times 9. All right, so now I'm going to switch back over and walk through this problem with you. So as you can see, I've written the problem down, 273 times 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Carry the 2. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 2 is 65. Carry your 6. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 6, so 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So our answer to this first problem is 2,457. So let's switch back over to our problems and answer our first problem. And here we find our answer. All right, now we scroll down to the next problem. All right. And our next problem is 18 times 360. All right, and as you can see here, I rewrote the problem vertically, and I also rewrote it so that the larger number is on top. This just means I have to do less steps. So 8 times 0 is 8. Sorry, 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. Now we're done with the ones place, so we need to put a 0 place value holder there. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we add these two numbers together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. So the answer to this problem is 6,480. So now we are going to switch back to sharing that quiz so that you can see what we need to do for the quiz. All right. Oops, sorry. All right, and so we find our answer here. All right, and we scroll down to our next problem. And our next problem is 222 times 75. Five times 2 is 10, carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. We're finished with the ones place, so we put a 0 place value holder in the ones place. 7 times 2 is 14, carry the 1. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15, carry the 1. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15, so we carry that 1. Now we add these two rows together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Comma, we go 1, 2, 3 places in and put our comma. So the answer to this one is 16,650. So let's go back to our work and put our answer in. Scroll down. We got just a few more problems to go. All right, our next problem, 659 times 17. All right, now we'll come back and we will solve this problem. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 6 is 41. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 4 is 46. We're finished with the ones place, so we put in a 0 place value holder. 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 6 is 6. Now we add these two products together. 3, 1 plus 9 is 10. 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. 11,203 is our answer to this problem. So now we switch back to our quiz. We answer our problem. Scroll down. Our next problem is 35 times 481. So here's our problem. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24. We're finished with the ones place. We put our 0 place value holder in. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Add these two products together. 5, 3, 8, 6, and 1. So our answer is 16,835. Go back to our quiz. Put in our answer. And now we have one last problem to do, and it's our word problem. And the word problem says, Trisha is building a patio. The patio will be 108 bricks wide and 19 bricks long. She has 2,000 bricks. Does she have enough to build her patio? Explain. Remember to answer with a complete sentence. So the first thing we have to do is answer our problem. So these are the numbers that she needs to find out how many bricks that she will need. 9 times 8 is 72. Oops, wrote that backwards. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 7 is 7. 9 times 1 is 9. We were finished with the ones place, so we put a 0 in the ones place. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Now we add our numbers together. 2. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer to this problem is 2,052. So now let's go back to our quiz. Trisha is building a patio. The patio will be 108 bricks wide and 19 bricks long. She has 2,000 bricks. Does she have enough to build her patio? Explain. Remember to answer with a complete sentence. She only has 2,000 bricks, but she needs 2,052. So does she have enough? No, she does not have enough. Right, that's the first part of our answer. And then we have to explain. She will need 2,052 bricks to make the patio, and she only has 2,000, period. So I've now answered the question. I have given an explanation, and I answered with a complete sentence, capital letter at the beginning and a punctuation mark at the end. Now I am finished with this assignment, so I'm going to click submit. And now your teacher will get your work. She will grade it and then return it to you so that you can see what your grade is. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm always happy to help in any way. Have a great day. I love you. Learn lots and have fun.